What do I do that bothers you? I'm just
Well,
curious.
there's lots of things.
Name one. Why don't you name
there's
one?
quite a few things. You want me to name one?
Yeah.
Fine, man. You play with your balls a lot.
I do not play with my balls.
Larry Bird doesn't do as much ball handling in one night as you do in an hour.
Are you trying to start a fight?
No, I'm simply stating a fact, that's all. You fidget with your nuts a lot.
You know what would make me happy?
Have a couple balls and an extra set of fingers? You fidget with your nuts a lot. You fidget with your nuts a lot. You fidget with your nuts a lot.